Hi, good morning. This is Jeff Bradley with Taylor & Son Chevrolet in beautiful Ponderay, Idaho. I have a 2019 Chevy Tahoe LT Z71 package. This is a beautiful Tahoe. Very clean. I'm going to do a walk around and just kind of show any blemishes that might be there. We're going to start in the driver's side quarter panel. Everything looks nice and clean. Moving up to the wheel. This wheel looks real clean. There appears to be a little tiny scratch right there. It's kind of hard to see. About a ½ an inch long. Front end's good, no rust. And coming down the driver's door, window, everything's clean. No rock chips. Running boards. This Tahoe's been well taken care of. I don't see any scratches or dents anywhere. The driver's rear quarter panel. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a Class 4 hitch with a 7-pin plug-in. No chips, scratches. Very clean. Moving around to the passenger side quarter panel, rear. Very clean. No rock chips. The rear wheel, right rear, very clean, no blemishes. The wheel well appears to be all clean. And I'll go back to the driver's side. This wheel also very clean, right or left rear wheel. Same thing with the wheel well. And rear passenger door. Everything's nice and clean, no scratches, dents, rock chips. Passenger front door, all clean. This is a nice Tahoe, very nice. Got a little bit of water spots, and we just got through a storm. Tires look good, probably about 80%. The front end, starting at the bottom, tow hooks, fog lights, coming across the front and across the hood. I don't see any rock chips or any dents, scratches. This is a very, very clean Tahoe. I don't think I've seen one this clean. Very nice. Okay, moving to the interior now. The driver's door. Nice tan brown saddle leather interior. Thing looks nice and clean. The seats, minimal wear, as it's only 1 year old. Headliner all looks clean and nice. Steering wheel, no scratches. Very nice. Power seats. Rear driver's side door. Everything looks very clean. It does have WeatherTech mats. Very nice. And now moving to the rear. Got a power lift gate. Everything is clean here. Third row seats manually put down. Very nice Tahoe. And looking from the distance on the passenger side of the vehicle, give you a full shot here. And so this is Jeff at Taylor & Son Chevrolet signing off, and hope you have a great day.